In the fall of 2023, leadership at Huntsman Cancer Institute and Utah Valley University came together to form the HCI-UVU Health Collaborative. This collaborative is an experiential learning opportunity at HCI that is tailored for UVU students, which offers research and administrative internships or volunteer opportunities in our cancer hospitals and clinics. And we have much to celebrate from 2024, our first year together. The collaborative is an important part of HCI's commitment to provide students here in the state of Utah the opportunity to learn about our cutting-edge cancer research and care and to explore a career dedicated to fighting cancer. So we welcome these talented UVU students to HCI and hope they learn much from our wonderful faculty, students, and staff.
I've been able to sit in meetings or have opportunities that I feel like, maybe I'm like, I don't deserve this. Like, I'm not qualified for this. I'm just a student or an intern, but I've consistently been reinforced by the organization that no, you're meant to be here. This is an opportunity for you. Let's make the most of it. I love being able to say that, I'm both a student from Utah Valley University and I work at the Huntsman Cancer Institute.
Through UVU's collaboration with Huntsman Cancer Institute, students gain access to unique and impactful opportunities. These include research collaborations, where UVU faculty will work alongside HCI researchers on interdisciplinary projects. Our students are already participating in internship opportunities at Huntsman Cancer Institute. These include marketing, talent acquisition, and research compliance and regulation, where students assist with clinical trial documentation. Additionally, students can volunteer at HCI's Salt Lake campus, contributing to meaningful work and making a difference in the healthcare community.
So I think this is a really great example of how two universities and a cancer center within that university are coming together with sort of shared goals and shared interests. That provides opportunities for us to provide to their students, much as we do to our own University of Utah students.
We are just launching this program, but ultimately what we want to do is give students an opportunity to see what a career in biomedical research looks like. Maybe that leads to them to graduate school in some field. Maybe that leads them to medical school. But what we really want to do is give people a glimpse at what the opportunities are available at a large, comprehensive cancer center.
It's been really exciting to work with our interns because it's given them an opportunity to learn, but also it's really helped us have a more flexible workload.
Students can expect to be a strong contributor, a trusted resource. We want to know what they're thinking. We want to know their ideas.
We're writing a report for the SHE program, which is just women in cancer research pretty much, and it's for undergrad students in high school, so that they can kind of get their feet into cancer research and everything and see if that's something they're interested in. And so I'm writing a report for that, just talking about what the students liked, what they learned and everything like that, and kind of some improvements we can make.
I've learned so much of what goes into these clinical trials, but it's been a really great opportunity to work under these awesome ladies in this office. And they've been really good about honestly being a mentor to me and answering my questions, making sure that I'm getting what I want out of the internship. So it's been really rewarding to work with these people in this professional setting.
I have seen time and time again with myself and with the other interns at UVU that the supervisors really care and will often sit down, talk about what the interns' goals are. Yes, I'm an intern, but I'm also making a difference.
I feel like in any area, our interns that join can expect to be heard, and we want them to, we hire them for part of their skill set and their passion for the degree that they're pursuing.
There are lots of smart students at UVU who are really interested in cancer research. And these are the kind of students we want to give more and varied types of opportunities to really look at careers in cancer research.
My career goals since coming to Huntsman Cancer Institute have aligned quite nicely, and I've gotten a much clearer picture of my overall career goals. To be able to work in a marketing communications department with a team has always been something that I've had my eye on. So to be able to come to Huntsman Cancer Institute through Utah Valley University's internship program and get that educational experience and get my foot in the door with the start of my career has aligned quite nicely.
These students, they want to be here. These students apply to come to cancer, to do research at cancer, to be mentored, to be in our space. And so I feel like these internships are opening up more opportunities for students, and I feel like we need to keep expanding. There is a demand, and I think creating this UVU Huntsman internship is, speaking to that demand and saying, okay, we hear you.
The UVU students involved in our Huntsman Cancer Institute collaboration gain hands-on experiences that enhance their career readiness while fostering a deeper sense of purpose. They develop critical thinking and technical skills, build professional networks, and strengthen their resumes. These experiences are especially valuable for students pursuing advanced degrees in healthcare, providing unique insights and connections to help guide their career paths.
The plan is to start having wet lab students here. It gets a little complicated with travel distances, etc. Oftentimes lab research is, you have to do a little bit one day, a little bit the next day. So, we're trying to think creatively about the way we can accommodate students from the UVU campus so they don't have to travel up here on a daily basis.
I just love having the opportunity to be able to work with Huntsman and be able to do it just even though I'm miles away, be able to do it virtually and see how I have whole teams of people in sectors that I didn't even know existed in healthcare.
We're really excited about our collaborative opportunity that we have with the Huntsman Cancer Institute. This gives our students opportunities to have internships, to have clinical placements and volunteer opportunities that are going to position them well for jobs when they apply and once they graduate.
This HCI-UVU Collaborative that is going so well would not be possible also without the great administration at UVU, Tammy Clark and Wayne Vaught and Daniel Horns and many others down there as deans and vice presidents and vice provosts have really done a fantastic job in partnering with us, really thinking about what do the students really want and what is the best experience they can possibly get. They've just been fantastic partners to work with.
To be part of a program where we can interact with sharp students who have great interest in building their career in either healthcare administration, in the sciences in some way, I feel like it's a win-win for both the institution as well as Utah Valley University.